Welcome back. Life on Rikers, man. It's your boy CRUZ. Just out here a little chilly day. Going to meet up with some guys. Uh, Preacher Ryker on YouTube and D Nelson. Gonna meet up and just take a little ride around. Talk to some other guys and just, you know, have a little ride. It was a nice day out. So right now I'm just trying to get to the meeting point. I'm here and catch up with these guys. Luckily they weren't too far away. Quick run up to the quick trip to the quick trip and just meet the fellas, talk about the bikes, pros and cons. Y'all see that crazy dude? The people be driving crazy, man. But that's why you just gotta be defensive. I mean, you gotta be a defensive driver. Gotta be a little aggressive, but for the most part, you gotta be a defensive driver. You gotta be paying attention. And that's one of the things that kind of messes up my videos because I'm always looking around, always looking around. I mean, that's how else you gonna know what's going on? Keep your head on a swivel. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. This isn't what I wanted. But yep, finally made it to the location and see the guys. My man D with the 900, Preach with the 900, and yeah, as y'all can see, Preach got his bike completely dressed up, man. It is nice. Me and D still a little plain, but we all gonna get there. I had to make sure I muffled the volume a lot because Preach got that RLS assassin muffler. That thing is crazy loud. Crazy loud. Boy, let me in real quick. And I think that's why he let me in so I could be behind Preacher. Honestly, because like you're not gonna hear it good on this, but man, that thing is loud. But all in all, it was a good little day. Out here in Lancaster, Texas. Lancaster, however they say it. Take a little ride. Look around. Tried to trim this video down a lot. But like I said, man, y'all stick with me, stick with the channel. The quality get better and the ride's gonna get better. And this what I like, man. Countryside. It's the main reason I bought the bike. Back roads, trees, slipperies, creeks, bridges. It's the main reason I bought the bike. I mean, just to get out, get in the wind, you know? And we were going to meet another rider over here. I ain't really know the dude, so I didn't want to record his home. Another cool guy might, or how to get to his home, so I'm gonna chop this footage up, and then we'll get back to it. But it was a cool guy. We're gonna ride again tomorrow. Yeah, so here we go, leaving his residence. We talked about setting up a ride for later in the week where we all could get together when we were all free. And as you can see, that RLS Assassin is loud, but I'm gonna get me a muffler. Not that one, but I'm gonna get me one for sure, because I do want a little more bass. I believe Mike said he had 2 brothers, and that was real nice. Real nice. I don't know what happened to my recording. My footage messed up. My computer messed up. I hope not. And we are back. And Preacher Ryker, man, that's what I'm saying. His bike's so flashy, man. He actually got us stopped by the police. I ride through it all the time. Police never said nothing to me, you know. Hope they never do, knock on wood. But she was a nice lady. I don't know what she asked him about, his registration or something, or those street legal or something like that, but it's all good. But we got right back to it, and it was a nice little trip. I like to get a little more wide open in the back roads. I mean, I live out here, and that's how I like it. Not, you know, reckless or nothing, but just, you know, feel the breeze a little bit. So I passed the fellas up, let them know, try to get them on camera, and just thinking about the next move, because they live in totally opposite side of town, but just trying to figure it out. And I guess I decided around here that I wasn't gonna ride back out that way, because I would have to loop all the way back around. I didn't have my hoodie on or nothing. It was getting pretty chilly, so I think right here is when I told them, you know, I'm gonna go the other way and catch up with them next time. But cool group of guys, man. I'm glad I got to meet them, meet some fellow riders. I mean, I ride my bike all the time, and I never see another Ryker, never. But whenever I'm on the highway in my car, I see them all the time, and I be wondering where they going. Like I never see these bikes, and it's just good to actually finally meet some fellow riders that's in the area. Oh yeah, right here. That's when I was telling them, man. And they go back west toward the highway, and I go back down deeper into the country. Back road riders, man. That's how I like it. But all in all, it was a good day, and more to come, man. Y'all stick with the channel. It's your boy CRUZ.